In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp to N8N. Let's dive right in and explore how to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools. First things first, we need to create a new workflow in N8N. This is where your entire process will take place, so head over to your N8N dashboard and start a fresh workflow. Take a moment to think about the specific tasks you want to automate, as having a clear goal in mind will help guide the setup process. Now, once you've got your new workflow set up, the next step is to add a trigger node. You have a couple of options here. You can choose a manual trigger if you want to execute your workflow manually, which is great for testing purposes. Alternatively, you might want to configure a ClickUp trigger, which allows your workflow to be initiated by specific events happening in ClickUp. Choose wisely based on your needs. Each method serves a particular purpose. With your trigger node in place, it's time to focus on adding a ClickUp node. This is where you define what exactly you want to do with ClickUp, and you'll make that choice from a list of operations. For example, you might want to get tasks if you wish to retrieve task data, or create checklist if you plan to set up a checklist within a task. Take a little time to explore the available operations. They'll shape the flow of your workflow. Next, select the credentials you've already configured. This ensures that N8N can communicate with ClickUp effectively. Using the right credentials is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that the automation runs smoothly. So double-check to make sure you've got the correct ones selected. Once credentials are sorted, you'll need to configure the required parameters for your operation. This might include specific identifiers like Task ID, List ID, or even Folder ID, depending on what you're aiming to achieve. These parameters are essentially the detailed instructions for your operation. Make sure you have this information ready, as having the correct IDs ensures the workflow interacts with the right elements in ClickUp. Finally, we come to a critical point: testing the node. This is where you verify that everything is working as expected. You'll want to check both access and outputs to ensure everything connects properly and is returning the data you need. Testing is a key step in the workflow creation process, allowing you to identify and troubleshoot any potential issues before you fully implement the automation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a connection between ClickUp and N8N. The integration possibilities are nearly endless, so feel free to experiment and unlock new efficiencies in your workflows. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy automating!